Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Live, the demo version for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the Ryujinx emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. They're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory. The demo released today, so it also got announced today, so decided to test it out. Yuzu did not work for me. No matter what I did, Yuzu did not work. Neither did the Vulkan backend version work as well. I had to just randomly pick, hey, get a normal one with OpenGL, which doesn't work very well. By the way, it does not work very well. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't work very well with AMD drivers, so this is going to be a terrible experience, but it's going to run, and that's the point. That's really the point here. Once again though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I'm going to show you the settings real quick while the game loads in. Nothing fancy, as you can see, nothing fancy. And that's about it. We just play the game and have some fun. Hope nothing goes wrong. Now, apparently this is a remake of a game that came out way in 1994, I believe. But that seems crazy. Nonetheless, I like how the overlay has my background, my Explorer background there. That's weird. I almost gave up on testing this. I'm actually going to test Portal next just to make sure, but this is how you play a Live the demo version. You have to get Ryujinx. Yuzu does not work. I've tested it, although I may update Yuzu and see if it works. It might. It probably would make this video obsolete. Oh, there's voice acting.
To report that after a struggle, we finally managed to capture our quarry.
I want to get into gameplay and see how OpenGL handles it. Because as you know, OpenGL is... ugh. It's going to have some issues. And I remember, I think it was some Traveler game. It was Triangle Strategy or something that had a lot of issues with these types of sprites.
Yes,
Did not want to run properly. Could not fix it for the life of me. I'm not sure. I'm hoping that this does not have that same issue.
They would code it.
Boy, you're not gonna let me play the game, are you? Oh, boy, guys, just, you know, today, I love you can skip that stuff. Love that. Okay, I'm seeing issues here already, but I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Eight gigs of RAM with these sprites, 2D sprites. The insanity. And this is why we don't test out this is why we don't do Vulkan, kids. What is it? Well, at least it's not causing the same. It's not doing the issue with the. Yeah, it's not doing the issue with the stuttering, but this is kind of what I expected. Like I said, OpenGL and the AMD don't mix very well together, so performance is gonna suck. Also, this is the first time I'm booting in the game, so the compiling shaders, I think, maybe not. It's just OpenGL just doesn't work properly. Ryujinx doesn't really work properly here, which is why I never test it. But since we're here, why not, right? Why not? Oh wait, this is a straight up RPG? Oh wow, I feel like there's even issues here. You want to hit him with that Shadow Slash? You're running at 30 FPS in combat. I did this guy with something called Shadow Slash, and this guy comes back and hits me with a move called Punch. The heck I look like to you? I vanquished my enemies. Nonetheless, it is running. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh, it's running a lot better. It feels like it's running smoother. It definitely does feel like it's moving smoother, but Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more pet content. If you enjoy seeing this type of content and you guys like knowing, you know, when a game is out and if you can run it on a certain system before you have to actually waste your time and download it yourself, hey, I'm the guy to go to. I get these videos done as soon as possible, man. So you know what's going on. Ha, you missed. No, you didn't. You hit me. But here I am. I get these out as soon as possible, just like I said. Why can I aim in random areas where the enemy isn't? So wait, so I had to oh wow. Once again, why do I aim somewhere that he isn't? Oh wow, that didn't kill him? Well, that's not good. I died way too easily there. I just keep looking at the RAM. 9 gigabytes for a 2D sprite game. Insanity. Oh gosh, it starts me over. Oh no. Actually, I'm curious to see. Oh no. I'm curious to see how much better it would play now. Actually, that's may not be a bad thing. My CPU is working overtime here. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. And if you guys want a link for the game itself, I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
No rest. Be at peace.